Assalamualaikum and hello my friend. So how are you today? I hope all of you doing fine and having a good day. My name is Afifah and I'm currently doing my bachelor in aviation management. So today I'm going to talk about how do airport generate revenue. Are you excited? So let's start it.
Aviation is big business, with global airport revenues hitting 131 billion in 2030, a 5.5% increase over the previous year. Airport Council International (ACI) report in 2050. That income can be divided into two components, aeronautical and non-aeronautical. Aeronautical revenue comprises the majority of airport income and includes airline terminal space rental, airline landing fees, and usage fees for terminal, gates, service and passenger counts. United States airport generate about 10 billion in aeronautical revenue in 2030, or about 55% of total operating revenue according to Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) data. Airlines act as airport tenants, paying rent for counter and gate space, training facilities, storage facilities, hangar, office and maintenance facilities. They additionally pay for landing and parking fees and to hold a lease on ticket counter and gate space to occupy an exclusive area. Most airports create a contract with airline wishing to use its facilities, typically known as a use and lease agreement, the ACI notes. In 2030, terminal fees, rent and utilities accounted for 45% of aeronautical revenue, with landing fees accounting for 30%. The ACI report found that airports generate 11.88 in aeronautical revenue per passenger. In aeronautical revenue, passenger-based charges are trending upward according to Airport World. Non-aeronautical revenue on the rise. Airports are increasingly focusing on non-aeronautical revenue to deal with the unpredictability of the airline business cycle. According to the Airport Council International North America Concession Benchmarking Survey, non-aeronautical revenue reached almost 82 billion in 2030, or 45% of total operating income. For each passenger, airport generate 8.40 in aeronautical revenue, which include a variety of income sources. Let's take a closer look at some of this revenue streams. Parking, ground transportation and rental cars. Parking and ground transportation fees comprise 41% of total non-aeronautical revenue in 2030, or 3.4 billion, the Concession Benchmarking Survey found. Ground transportation include taxis, limousine, shuttle and bus that transport airline passengers. At 90.8%, rental car related fees represented the next largest segment of non-aeronautical revenue for US airports, totaling 1.6 billion. Concession and retail. Two major factors work in airport favor when it comes to generating income from retail and concession sale. First, airline passengers typically have more spending power according to the ACI survey. As of 2030, passengers had a median household income of 75,000 to 90,000 compared to a national median of a little more than 52,000. Second, the heightened security measure mandate after the terrorist attack of September 11, 2001 mean passengers are spending more time in airport terminal, arriving early to ensure they clear security in time to make their flight. Increasingly, airports are featuring more food and beverage options, expanding their offering beyond national franchises to include local restaurants and vendors. In 2030, US airports generate 587 million from food and beverage sales, or about 7.2% of non-aeronautical revenue. Airport retail, meanwhile, is evolving from chocolate bar and magazine to designer clothing and locally produced goods, transforming the terminal into what has been described as a travel megastore. These upscale vending machines allow airports to produce income in locations that would be too small for a regular store. Commercial development, advertising and more. Office building, business and industrial park, rail and transport infrastructure, retail center, hotel and logistic hub are all potential commercial projects on airport property that can boost non-aeronautical revenue stream. Airports also generate revenue by selling advertising space inside and outside terminals. Additionally, sponsored space, special events and branded areas can generate operating income while improving airport ambience and the passenger experience. Okay, now we can conclude that when more operating airline at the airport, so the airport can gain more revenue from that.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Thanks for watching.